Welcome to LinuxConfig.org channel. In this video, you'll learn how to get Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon before its official April 23, 2026 release. This version brings GNOME 50 Rust-based utilities for better security, TPM disk encryption, and post-quantum cryptography. You can access it right now through daily builds or by upgrading from Ubuntu 24.04 or 25.10. This is pre-release software. Only use it for testing, not production systems. The first method is downloading the daily build ISO image. Head to the official Ubuntu daily builds page and grab the latest ISO file. You can burn it to a USB drive using tools like Balena Etcher or DD Command, or use the ISO file directly in virtualization software like KVM, VirtualBox, or VMware. Boot from the USB or VM, and install like any other Ubuntu release. Remember, this is development software that updates daily, so keep updating regularly to get the latest version. The second method is upgrading from your existing Ubuntu installation. If you're running Ubuntu 24.04 or 25.10, you can upgrade directly to 26.04. Open terminal and run sudo space do -release -upgrade -d. The -d option enables development release upgrades. For detailed step-by-step instructions on how to upgrade, visit our upgrade guide at LinuxConfig.org. The link is in the description below. Once installed or upgraded, you can verify your Ubuntu 26.04 version by opening Settings and checking the About section. All relevant links, including the daily builds page and our detailed upgrade guides, are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy Ubuntu 26.04.